So why would you want to build your own PC?
Hi, I'm Paul, this is Diane, we're the PC Zombies, and today we're going to tell you why we build our own PCs. And the first reason is my PC can't keep up with me. Every time I build a new PC, I get it maxed out to the fastest I can get it to go, and I still have these huge hour-long compiles or video builds and renderings that are taking forever, and I need to keep upgrading it because the software is pushed to its limits on my machine.
The second reason is cost. This helps you to be able to control your budget.
Yeah, that's a good one. But you know what? If you actually did build the same PC as you found, say, like on Amazon, you're probably going to spend about the same amount of money to build it as you would to buy it. So why would you build it? Well, from a budget perspective, if you reuse some of the old components from your old PC, now you could buy better components for your new PC. And if you really are limited on budget, you can actually put off certain purchases, like maybe a bigger hard drive, more memory, a faster graphics card. You could put that off into the future. So you can still buy better components now, have a better PC. And that leads to the third reason, which is higher quality parts. When you buy a PC online, you don't know who is manufacturing any of the parts. All they kind of tell you is how much memory, what kind of processor is in it, how fast is the processor going. But what they don't tell you is just as important as what they are telling you. They rarely tell you what kind of graphics card, motherboard, and power supply. These are very important components to a PC. It's usually a regular fan and not a water-cooled fan, which really slows down the PC, or it burns out the CPU over time and makes you have to buy a new one later on when it starts to get buggy.
The fourth reason why you want to build a better PC is because you want it to look good.
Right, yeah. And so what can you do to make it look good? You're the expert on aesthetics.
Well, for my PC, I liked the glass case so I could see inside of it. We had color cabling. We had
RGB lighting.
Yes, RGB lighting.
We even did a graphics plate that says Unimatrix 0. Yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff to make it look great and cool. And the fifth reason is so you can have a quieter PC. And a lot of people don't understand what this means. You buy a PC online, you're going to get the worst fan there is, and it's going to be noisy. And you're going to get the worst power supply, and it's going to be noisy. So you got all this noise generating. If you build your own PC, you can get an all-in-one water cooling system that will make sure that it's totally quiet, using a radiator and just 3 fans blowing a little bit of air, and there may be magnetic dome fans so that they're very, very quiet. So you get such a quiet PC that your experience in your office becomes a lot more livable. And the sixth reason, more disk space, more memory.
Yes.
When you buy it online, you only get like, wow, they're always just like, oh, the amount of disk space you wish you had 5 years ago is what they're offering you today. So it used to be 5 years ago, you know, you needed a terabyte, but they'd only give you half a terabyte. Now you need 2 terabytes or 4 terabytes, and they're giving you 1 terabyte. And the same with memory. If you use a lot of memory, you're gonna have a hard time configuring the perfect PC online for that because you really don't get a lot of choices. Number 7, Di. Okay,
number 7 is because you can easily update it. You can take out parts and replace them with newer, fancier.
Sure, you build your own PC, parts. You know how to say, oh, I want a faster CPU, I want whatever. As long as it's compatible with your PC, other components, just do it. You know how. It's nice. And number 8 is controlling the software. When you buy a new PC, they're throwing a lot of bloatware on your PC. And the reason they're doing that is because they're getting paid by manufacturers to try to get you to try their software. Well, I hate that. The first thing I do when I used to buy new PCs is I would start deleting all the software to clean out my system so it would boot faster and run faster.
And the final reason, the 9th reason, is because it's rewarding to build your own PC.
That actually is. Remember, we have a lot of fun doing it. Even when you're helping me do your PC originally, I did the building, but picking out those parts, watching it go in, making it look cool, that's actually fun. And you really have a sense of accomplishment.
The other reason it could be is just to brag. I heard him talking to another guy about the graphics card, and you hear, ooh, ah.
Okay, that's it, Di. Those are the 9 reasons.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
That's right. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Have fun.